did. We decided to put a tarp over it. Carl's mom was here and I asked her, what do you think? Should we take a risk with our seedlings or cover? And she said cover. So we zip tied our tarp here and all those, and then on the poles down there I put pots on top of the poles so it doesn't tear the tarp. And he was right, we are collecting water in the middle of that tarp. He said that was going to happen like that. Uh-oh. I'm going to have to tell him we're collecting water over in the middle, just like he said it would. We had hoped that we weighted down a trash can with a bag of rocks and put it on top of the bench. It's not right in the middle, so we've got collecting water. Grayson's here with me. Good, Gray, what do you think of this? What do you think? Yeah. Gray, what do you think? Oh, there he goes. Okay. You want on this one? Come on. Can you do that? Okay. Gray, you gonna get up? There you go. Hi, buddy. Say hello. Okay, Grayson's watching the action, watching the rain come down. Oh, beautiful kitty. You want on camera? Hey, Gray. Oh, try that again. Oh. Alright, feels like we're camping. I figured out what we can do here. See, we've got these, and we've got a problem right here. A lot of water is collecting right in the middle of that. We're expecting more rain. But you can see how protect. Oh, look how big they are today. Oh, wow. Just beautiful. Those pole beans are coming up beautifully. So, okay, let me get a shot down this way. So we decided to do the tarp because we've got the framework for the greenhouse. The greenhouse material only lasted a few years before it started not being good. So it had gotten torn and everything like that. So we just have the frame now. So it worked perfect. We drape the tarp over the top, and we're going to take care of this problem down here. So meanwhile, let's take a look at those peas. Oh, look at that. They look beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay, somebody, let's see. Look at that. That one's kind of coming up. Okay, we're going to hopefully have, this is more wet over here than over there. Hopefully a little bit will come through. We don't, not too much. We don't mind some rain coming through. Feel kind of sprinkling. Those are pretty, so I'm going to put one of those. So let's move these guys. They are just getting soaked at the moment. Whoa. So we need to, whoa, look at that. Okay. So I'm going to move those and put one of the cucumber plants here, and I think we'll solve our problem. Okay, I've got one pot over there with the tomato cage, even though it's a cucumber. We're supposed to turn it up. We'll figure all that out later. Okay, so yes, probably we're supposed to have this upside down so the cucumbers will grow better up it, but that was not working for me with these size pots, so I had to do it just like you would normally a tomato cage. So anyways, but it'll work out for the rain because we're on sides up right here. And you see that one's kind of holding the tarp here, so I'm going to get this guy over there in the middle to hold up the rest. Okay, you can see the not too. All right, I think we may have hopefully solved our problem. These little bit rain's coming through. That's good. It's an old tarp, so. Alright, I think we have our problems hopefully solved. Just for now, I put the seedlings up on the bench over there. And that flaxseed, oh, that's coming up beautifully. Everything is springing up so fast. We're going to have to check back after the rain and see what has happened. See if we have some more plants springing up just beautifully. I actually don't see any cucumbers up in this patch. So we got plenty over here, so we will probably do some transplanting over here. Okay, see you next time. Okay, we're out. That's how we weighted it down. We're just doing the best we can. There we go. Everything's just loving the rain. How much have we gotten so far? Oh, nice. What is that? 1.5 inches of rain so far. We've got 1.5 inches of rain so far. That's just great. Okay, we'll put them back and see how much more we get. Walked inside. Oh, the Lord was protecting me. This branch just fell aside and took off my boots. I think it hit the roof, so I better go in, but that's not, hopefully it did nothing to the roof. Hopefully it just bounced, so, and didn't do any damage, so, and it didn't hurt me, so we're good. Okay, I don't think it's leaking. It's best, oh, no, that's dry. Okay, well, I'm gonna get out of here before more branches, hopefully no more branches come down. Hey, you heard that big thud. Yeah, you guys okay? Yeah, Mama's okay. Yeah, we're okay, thank you. I'm fine. Just sweet of you, yeah. Oh, thank you, Grayson. You guys okay? I don't think we have any rain cut. It doesn't look like it did damage.